what is inside the sun? There's a couple different pictures here. One is from your textbook, the other's not. Just thought it was neat. So you've got the core, then you have the radiative zone, and then you have the convection zone. That's kind of where the structure of the sun stops on the book. However, there's more to it, and the book does get into it, but that's, basically core, mantle, crust kind of thing, right? There's stuff on the surface that's kind of fun. There's a photosphere, there's a chromosphere, there's a corona, you get flares, you get prominences, you get CMEs, you get sunspots, lots of neat things, coronal hole. Now, the sun is made up of mainly hydrogen and helium. 92% hydrogen, 8-ish% helium. And it's pretty much, that's what it was when it was formed. Yeah, it's pretty much stayed the same. A little bit of helium changing to, hydrogen changing to helium. Alright, so the core. The core is 10% of all of the sun's mass. And this is where the fusion happens. This is where you fuse hydrogen into helium. This is what's releasing all of that luminosity, that energy. Okay, this is the source of the heat. The core is actually made out of plasma, which is kind of a liquid gaseous thing. And the temperature of the core is 15 million degrees Kelvin, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, otherwise known as hot. The density, 160 tons per meter cubed. Pretty good. Okay, so just outside of the core is the radiative zone. This basically just surrounds the core, insulates the core, and it lets heat slowly escape from the core to the convection zone. Now, it could take, they think, 1,000,000 years to go from one to the next. Then you have the convective zone. This is just outside the radiative zone. It's cooler than the other zones. It's a lot less dense, and it basically is convection that brings heat to the surface. Right? Heat rises, cold sinks. Convection.